to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a newer way on how to make no glue lotion slime. This recipe is super easy to make and really only needs 2 ingredients. So the ingredients you guys will need to make this slime recipe today is lotion, of course. I'm using the pink lotion, but you can use any type of lotion like Bath & Body Works pink or any other brands. You guys will need any type of shampoo. I'm just using a Suave one. You guys will need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. I'm just using this bowl. You guys will of course need a mixing tool, and last but not least, but optional, you can use food coloring. So no glue lotion slime is one of my favorite recipes because I feel like I've gotten the recipe so good and down to like the best way you can make it. But the key ingredient for no glue lotion slime is the shampoo you use. So I'm just using Suave, and this one is super thick for making no glue lotion slime. So I feel like I can add a little bit more into there actually. So the more soap you add is how much slime you will get, of course. Okay, that looks like just enough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my lotion, and I'm using this one from Pink. It's the honey strawberry one. This one smells so good. Just going to get adding it into there. Okay, and now last but not least, this is the optional part. You can add food coloring. You can already see it got all over me. Okay, that took a little bit to come out, but here it is now, and I'm going to get mixing this up. You just want to keep mixing and adding in more shampoo as you go. I might have added too much lotion, so that's my fault. Don't do that. Okay, that looks like enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator. And this recipe might take a little bit longer than most no glue slime recipes. And I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to mix it up and make sure it's working. What tends to happen with no glue lotion slimes is the slime mixture that is getting all mixed together goes at the bottom. So you want to mix it up every 30 minutes to make sure it's getting all dissolved throughout the entire solution thing you made. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second when this is all done. Remember, 3 to 4 hours. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, 3 to 4 hours later, here it is, and I love the color and how it turned out. So let me get looking at this and see, and look at the slime texture already. Let me get mixing it up because I'm afraid it's still a little sticky. Wow, look at this. I'm gonna mix it up off camera for a second and then show it to you guys, just because I already know it's gonna be super sticky. Look at that. Okay, so I mixed it up off camera and I took a little piece out just to show you guys that it does like come in pieces for no glue lotion slime with this type of recipe. But look how nice this is. I love the color. It reminds me so much of like a white glue slime. Yeah, but you can tell it's so sticky, like it's all over my table and everything. But make sure you go piece by piece with this recipe because it really, I don't know why for this recipe, but it all gets like mixed at the bottom. Like look at that, it's like thicker towards the bottom of the bowl. But you just want to mix it up and make sure it's getting all mixed together. I'll do that in a second again, but here is how it is when you mix it up. So nice, so thick. This is a huge win-win for me for a no glue lotion slime, and it smells so good, by the way. Then here's me mixing it all together after about a minute or 2. You can see it's super thick. It's just a little sticky. I want to like get it out and show you guys. Here it is. I just need to mix this up more because it's so beyond sticky, and this is why this recipe, I think I should have added less lotion. But that was my fault. Just don't add too much lotion into this. Yes, but this recipe worked out so well. It was a huge win-win for me. Just remember, don't add too much lotion. Add more shampoo because that is the base of the slime. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias, my Instagram, my TikTok, even my Roblox will all be linked down below. And if the comments are turned off for this video today, remember to please comment in my community page on my YouTube channel. It's in the corner of my page. It says community page. And that's where you can comment hashtag notification squad to be able to get into my next video for notification squad. But yeah, I love you guys so much. If this recipe worked for you, remember to please put it in the comments down below. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!